Hello and welcome to my channel Arabic with Rana. In this video we are going to have a very important phrase, a very important expression in Arabic, which is in a long time. How to say in a long time in Arabic? How? Let's see. So for example, if you wanted to say I didn't do this or I haven't done this since a very long time, in a long time. So let's see how to make this in Arabic because it's really tricky. It's not like English and you cannot translate it literally. So let's begin for now with some words and I will tell you what are these words and then we will have the expression and how to make it with some examples. So the first word for this video is going to be صار. صار. This word صار means became. Became. We will see how we use it in this expression. But first, this is صار. صار means what? Means became. Became. And the second one is li. La. The la, as I told you before, the la is literally to or for. If you said it's li, then it's to me, for me, to me or for me. Both of them, and we can conjugate it, so we can say li for me, I can say lu for him, I can say la for her, lun for them, and then na, which is for us, na, and then we can have lak for you, lik for you feminine, and likon for all of you, for a you plural, group of people. So this is how we conjugate this la. The la, it means to or for, and then we conjugate it. It's up to me, you, them, etc. Also, we will see how to make it. And we have the word zaman. Zaman. Zaman with the alif in the middle of it. Zaman. Zaman means a very long time. Zaman. Zaman. So we can't really count how is it. But if you told me I know the word zaman. Yes, zaman we know it, but zaman is a very short period of time. Not really very, very short, but it's specific. But if you said zaman, then it means you are not sure. You don't know how many times, how many hours, how many days, how many years, how many months, etc. So we will use in this expression the word zaman. Zaman because I haven't been there from a long time. A long time. I don't really want to count how much. So this is zaman. 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 And then the last word, which is ma, for a negation. Negation. So let's see how to make this expression, which is in a long time or I haven't done something in a long time. The first we are going to have is to combine all of these words we had at the beginning of the video, which are, so this expression will be صار لي. So I'm now speaking about me. صار لي زمان ما. صار لي زمان ما. And then you use the verb in its past tense form. So you can say صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة. or قهوة. صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة. صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة or قهوة. صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة. This is fast. This is like native. صار لي زمان ما. صار لي زمان ما رحت. صار لي زمان ما رحت ع سوريا. صار لي زمان ما رحت ع لندن. صار لي زمان. صار لي زمان. صار لي زمان. This is how we make it. So it means in a long time or since a long time or since a very long period of time. This is what it means. So if I told you صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة, it means I haven't drank coffee in a while. Like in a while. I don't really know how much time and I'm not focusing on the time. It's just like a long time. A long time. So صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة. صار لي زمان ما شربت قهوة. If you wanted to say he, like for him, I'm speaking about him. صار له زمان ما شرب قهوة or قهوة. So he did not drink coffee since a long time. Since a very long time ago. This is how we make it. So we have to conjugate li, lu, la, lun, etc. So the la with the I, U, A, etc. The conjugations. And we have to conjugate the past tense with whom I'm speaking about. Is it me? Then I should say شربت. Me, شربت. أنا شربت. I'm speaking about him. I should say شرب. شرب. قهوة. So this is how we make it. This is how we make this is like in a long time or since a long time ago or since a while. In a while ago. So this is how we make it. So now I will just conjugate all of them with the expression, not just li, lu, la alone. So I will start. The first. صار لي زمان ما. صار لي زمان ما. For him, I'm speaking about a person who is not here, a male who is not there. I would just say صار له زمان ما. صار له زمان ما. And then, if I'm speaking about her, she, her, she's absent. So I would say صار لا زمان ما. صار لا زمان ما. If I'm speaking about a bunch of people, them يعني, so I should say صار لن زمان ما. صار لن زمان ما. صار لن زمان ما. صار لن زمان ما إجوا لعندنا. So they did not come to us in a while, a long time ago, in a while. Then صار لنا زمان ما. صار لنا زمان ما رحنا ع لبنان. صار لنا زمان ما. So we did not or we haven't gone to Lebanon in a while, in a long time ago. This is it. Next. صار لك, I'm speaking to you male. صار لك زمان ما. صار لك زمان ما اجيت على سوريا. صار لك زمان ما. In this case, you male. Let's see the you female. صار لك زمان ما. صار لك زمان ما. So fast would be صار لك زمان ما. صار لك زمان ما. صار لك زمان ما عملتي قهوة. So you did not make coffee, you haven't done coffee or made coffee in a while. Then the last one, صار لكم, all of you together, you plural, صار لكم زمان ما. صار لكم زمان ما. In this case, I did not do something, I haven't done something in a while. This is how we make it. This is how we make it. Now let's see some examples. If I told you صار لي زمان ما أكلت تبولة. I haven't eaten تبولة in a while. I did not eat تبولة in a while. So this is صار لي زمان ما أكلت تبولة. Next one, next example. صار لي زمان ما عملت قهوة. صار لي زمان ما عملت قهوة. I haven't made coffee in a while. And then if you have been there for a while, not like you did not do something for a while, you actually been there in a while. So you will just delete the ma at the end and you would just say صار لي زمان, and then you will say something. صار لي زمان هون. I have been here waiting for a long time. صار لي زمان هون. صار لي زمان هون. Here. So I have been here like in a long time, for a while. And then, if you are asking someone, صار لكم, all of you, I'm speaking to all of you, صار لكم زمان هون. صار لكم زمان هون. So have you been here in a while? Have you been here in a while means like, are you waiting me for a long time, in a while? This is like for a while. You are not being specific. But if you wanted to do it specifically and say like 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 minutes, etc. So you have to replace that zaman with something else. So for example, you can say صار لي ساعتين. ساعتين, 2 hours. صار لي ساعتين هون. So I have been here since 2 hours. For 2 hours. And then, for example, if you wanted to say I haven't done something or made something or whatever, something in a specific time, so you would say صار لي, and then the hour, the time, the specific time you want to say, and then ما, and then the verb. So for example, if I'm going to tell you صار لي ساعة ما شربت مي. So So I haven't drank water in 1 hour. For like 1 hour. صار لي ساعة ما شربت مي. صار لي ساعة ما شربت مي. Next, for example, if you wanted to say like a long one and you are like, for example, upset with your kid, maybe, and you wanted to tell them like, you haven't done anything and you haven't studied in a long time, maybe in a specific time for 2 hours. Tomorrow you have an exam test. So I would just say, صار لك, I'm speaking to a male, صار لك 3 ساعات, 3 hours, صار لك 3 ساعات ما عملت شي, haven't done anything, وما درست شي, you did not or haven't studied anything. بكرة عندك امتحان, tomorrow you have an exam, tomorrow you have a test. So this is how we make it. So this is all about this in a long time, for a long time, since a long time, or for a while. So this is how we make it for a specific time, and for saying a while, you won't be specific about it, even if you just mean 2 hours, but you don't really want to be specific about it. So for example, if you wanted to say, I have been waiting here for a long time, so you would just say, صار لي زمان ناطر. So I've been waiting for you since a long time. So even if it was like 5 minutes, but I felt like it was a decade, so I would just say that too. So this is all about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments below if you have any suggestions or recommendations or any questions. Also, if you have any questions or you wanted to make a homework, please tag me on my Instagram. Tag me on the Instagram with your homework so I can see if the homework is good or not. Bye bye.